afternoon, all you beautiful people out there. Um, One thing, I sound a bit different because I am sick as a fucking dog. But that's not gonna stop me getting this guy without hitting the zombies again. I am 100% determined of getting that goat. Oh god. Oh, there's stuff up here. I know that. Get up there. This way? Yeah, there we go. Wall running is essential. And here we find some food. Oh, it's so yummy. There, we're alive for a bit. Oh god. I was about to say, where did that go? That's so neat. I don't think I ever showed you guys how to build stuff like the heartbreaker, the integrator, the relaxer, or the mind control, I think. I don't think I ever showed you guys that. Oh, there's one. There's one of the barrels for the thing. No, that's the wrong way. What is it? I think it's this way, I'm not sure. Oh no, the barrel. Oh, there it is. Okay, it's not here actually. Oh, getting hungry again. Great. Oh, the thing's not here either. No. No, fuck. Shit. Get out of the car. Go. No one cares. No one cares about the zombies in this game, unless you're trying to survive. Oh no. Oh god. Oh, let's go to the island. That has a lot of things over there. Oh, there's another girl. No, hey, the heartbreaker. We got the heartbreaker. Get up here. We need food. We need things. There's a thing. Oh god. We definitely need food. Look at this. Look at the side actually. Oh, there's one. And we have this. Trying to look for food is not impossible in this game, but it's making it seem impossible. No zombies here. Oh god, I was hoping I can find one. Oh, there's one. Oh, but he's already dead. Oh, we got the relaxer now. Go die. No, 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 no. Oh, we got to here. Food, food, food. I need food. Right, okay. Now we got 2. Oh, let's hope we don't die right now. We got 13. Oh, God, Jesus. There you go. What else? Nope. No. Now let's get the relaxer here. Oh, this one is fun. They're still not dead though. Now they are. No, 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 no. Oops. There's the other one. What else do we need? Oh, God almighty. Jesus Christ. Oh, God, I didn't notice there were 2 of them. No, goodbye. See you later. Bye. No. What else do we need? My controller? If we can find, oh, I know we can find the ball. Oh, God. This one is hard to aim. Oh, dang. But I end up killing the zombie anyway. Whoa! Oh my God, you just spawned out of nowhere. Oh, there's also food here. Thank you. You ready? Oh my God, I'm almost dead. Oh shit. No, 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 no. I better stay up here for a bit. I can't aim at it. Oh, no, yes I can. There we go. What else do we have? Nothing after this one. Fuck, what am I supposed to do now? Oh God. Jesus Christ. These zombies don't stop at nothing. I was gonna say let's go to the mall right there, but no. Are we going to the TV network thing? There we go, there it is. Oh my God, that guy got hit anyway. Oh God, please don't die now. Don't you fucking dare follow me. What the fuck? What the fuck? How did I fucking die? I guess one of you guys hit me. Oh God. Oh. Can respawn then. How can we get whatever points in there? God, this is gonna be difficult. I told you. But I didn't tell you anything. I'm going straight back where it was. I can't speak. Get off the screen, thank you. Jesus. Is it this way? Yeah, it is. No. Oh no. Because this is one good gate way to get points. Woo. Oh my god, 1,000 already. Not that I'm impressed. I can't see shit. Oh, thank you. Oh, it's waiting for that to end, but no. There we go. And what else do we have? We have this. No, not that. This thing. Oh god, I lost the radio thing, didn't I? I didn't notice until now. Woo. Jesus, oh my god, no. Get the fuck away from there. I already showed you this, but I need to do it again anyway. Oh my god. There you go, walk away.
You know why zombies would never eat my brain? It tastes funny.
And we get
You know what's funny? Ghosts!
No, like the chair, Jesus.
What do you call a goat?
We need to eat that.
Only one ear.
Come here.
Than a goat.
I guess we do that. There we go. Oh my god, 26 009. We need to move on because there's no food or anything around here. Where should the food be? Oh, can we get the mind controller for a second here without dying? Right, take care of these guys first. Right, who else? There we go. There is a ball around here. There it is. Now we need to get the radio sort of thing. Oh, and this is without dying. Fucking 20% thing. Oh, no, no, no. No, no, no. Oh, God. Oh, that's not gonna help me. We can't get up there. Okay, there we go. Oh, no. Come on, come on, come on. There we go. That's not gonna help me. Jesus Christ. Oh, come on. Well, at least I'm not hungry yet. I can see it. Oh my god, I'm getting zombies everywhere. That's not it. Thanks, but no thanks. This isn't it. But you can do this on here. Hey, what about? Hit everything. There we go. Oh, that almost broke in half. Oh my god, did that change color or was it just me? I know there's stuff on the blue here. Oh, yes. Yes. You get it. Yeah, there you go. The mind controller. And I need this. And I need this. Thank you. Oh, I love this thing. I think you can only use it 3 times, I'm not sure. Now we can go anywhere. There we go. Oh, it ran out. It ran out. $61. Oh no. I need more food and somehow to live. No, that's not it. Oh, try going this way. Yeah. Oh, we have a lot. I think we can head over this way, I'm not sure. I've been terrified of going this way because there's like a bunch of them up here. Where does this go? Nowhere. 1 and 7. Yeah, we got that on 7. Oh no, this one we got on 7. Almost a day away here. Going now. $95. This one here. Oh my god, this is horrific. Oh no, this is horrific. Oh my god, there's one. What else do we need? Oh wait, I already got that one. I guess we have left the shop. I'm not sure. You guys already seen the gun show in the first episode. I'm not kidding. Well, we could do it again. Yay, we got one. Oh, 127 as well. Oh, we need to call back somewhere. Also, I think I forgot to say it. There was, at the end of this thing, there was a zombie elephant. Early game. That was early game. You can go this way. My god, this fucking goal getting that thing is never gonna work. No, that's the wrong one. There we go. We can go down this hole for a bit. Oh, we can get those. We got one already. How did we get one? What happens if we throw him overboard? Get over there. Nothing. Okay then. I know there's nothing on top of that building right here. We need to go back to the other one. Where's the... God, where is the home base? Where you died? No, but there's a car over there. No. Oh god. Well, we got day 7, and we're currently on day 8. Where is... Shh. Oh, I lost the starting point. Shit. See? Oh god, I know I'm dying. We need to get on this score for a bit here. I can't just stop and think where I'm going. Oh my god. Oh, hello. That boat doesn't go anywhere. There it is. God almighty. Die by the brains. There we go. Oh, we need one more. Please, God, work. Nope. No. No, I need these to work. Please. Oh, God. Fuck it. Oh, God. Oh my God. Fuck it. No, just fuck it. Oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna end that there. Hold on. I'm gonna end that there. I almost got it. Oh my God. Where is it? Oh my God, I did get it. Oh my God. Oh my God. And I get this one as well. But oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, so this power here. Oh, I'm gonna get hit by zombie anyway. Just let you create chihuahuas everywhere. Woo! It's like a Barbie goat. In this one, I did say it would crash my game if I do the power thing to somebody. Oh god, that worked. But still, it's the best one you ever had because you can throw them as far as possible. And you can lick them and I think they will hang on or something. No, come back. Let me lick you. Fuck it. Maybe next time we're going there for a bit. And the building, I found that this out months ago. Actually, not months ago, but weeks ago. But okay, I'll end it there. Let that thing go.